Welcome to Dialogue. I'm with Mrs. Winnie Bianima. You are Executive Director of Oxfam
International.
Yeah, could you please tell me what was your expose about this morning?
This panel was discussing the issue of lack of trust by people in their governments and what the bank can do. And I said that people distrust their governments because they can see that the economy has been rigged against them. The rules of the economy are working for the few and not for the majority. They can see that it has allowed rich people and rich companies to make more wealth and then to capture political power and to capture their voice. And what is happening is that the richer you are, the more likely you are to trust government. The poorer you are, the less you trust your government because you don't see, you are taxed and you don't see the services coming back to you. So we talked about those issues of how do you build public trust. And I said the bank needs to start with itself because through its lending, it is not respecting the rights of people. People are not consulted. People are not involved in the agreements and in the delivery of the services. So engaging the parliaments and the citizens through their NGOs is very important. Secondly, I also said they must stop supporting companies that are avoiding paying their taxes. And they must work with the IMF and the UN to negotiate global corporate tax reform to enable poor countries to collect all the taxes they need from the rich and provide services.
How about the corrupt governments that are increasingly being elected, re-elected over and over and over? What can be done about that?
Again, the bank has its own role to play because the bank itself sometimes funds projects and uses procurement processes that are manipulated and that award contracts corruptly. They have a duty to stop that, and they have a duty to use processes that are fair, that are transparent, and that are not corrupt. And the bank should make sure that people's resources, it should even spend on strengthening the system of financial systems, procurement systems, system of the judiciary, all the systems of oversight that can ensure that public resources are used well.
On that, I thank you very much, Madam.
You're welcome.